Hi everyone, my name is Tina. I'm married to a Greek from the island of Lesbos. We have two boys, 23 and 26 years old. They're half Greek, of course. They love Greek food, all three of them, and I do as well. And this is why I made this channel, so I can help you preparing some lovely Greek food in a way that it's not really difficult. So anyone can do this. Thanks for watching, and I'll be starting now. So, today we're going to make feta saganaki, and that means feta with some veggies on top, and you can eat it as a side dish with bread, and it's just delicious, and it's done in 5 minutes. So, enjoy! We need feta cheese, and don't buy just any white cheese. Buy Greek feta cheese, please. We need some pepper. You can buy as well a red one or a yellow one. It doesn't matter. It depends on your taste. 2 tomatoes, some oregano. This oregano smells delicious. My husband went to look for it in the mountains of Lesbos, and it's just so delicious. The big difference from the oregano you buy in a store, just be sure that you buy the good ones, or just come to Lesbos on holiday and pick it yourself. Easy peasy. Some pepper and salt. Of course, I use Greek salt. What do you expect? And some olive oil. The olive oil I use is from the Isle of Lesbos, of course. You can use any olive oil you like as long as it's very good quality. Because some olive oils they sell, they are rather cheap and they have a bitter taste in them. So it's not really tasteful if you cook with those kinds of olive oil. So this one is the best there is. To start, you need something like this, which you can put in an oven. So first of all, we take the feta, we crumble it like this. We put it at the bottom of the pan. I need to clean my hands. Then you take some tomatoes, I've washed them before, and you make really thin slices. Maybe 1 tomato is enough. And the only thing you need to do is put the tomatoes on the feta cheese, just like this. And then you take the green pepper or the yellow one, cut very thin slices. Put this on top. And then the only thing you need to do is put herbs and olive oil. Don't put too much because the feta is salty enough. So just put a little bit on top, put some pepper, and put some oregano. Of course, the olive oil, you just put it on top, and don't think it's a lot. If you really buy good olive oil, you can put quite some oil on top. And this is really it. So, I preheated the oven at 220 degrees, and it needs about 20 minutes to half an hour. It depends on how full you make the plate. And just wait. In the meantime, we can cut the bread. I just take fresh bread, uncut, and I cut it myself. This dish is very delicious just with bread. There you go. So we cut the bread and we're going to take it out of the oven. This really smells delicious. There you go. So this is feta saganaki, the easy way, and it's delicious. It's just delicious. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.